vertical lathe Pietro Carnaghi AP140, for sale. We are very happy to offer for sale the most reliable vertical lathe Pietro Carnaghi AP140 TMY, which was produced in 2012 but has never been used. Model AP is characterized by a structure with 2 columns, designed for large parts, up to 17 meters, of part diameter. The table diameter is 10,000 millimeters. The workpiece weight is 500 ton. Max. Turning diameter, 17,000 millimeters, table diameter, 10,000 millimeters, max. Workpiece weight, 500 ton. Max. RPM, 0.2 to 35 RPM. Turning power, 300 kilowatts, milling power, 100 kilowatts, max. RPM, 3000 RPM. Status, in packaged condition. If you are interested, please contact us, sooner than your competitors, at kts007799@gmail.com.